In this video, I'll show you how to send BTC to an external wallet on Cash App. Right now, open your Cash App account, and I'll show you how to send Bitcoin to any external wallet, like PayPal for example. First, go to the Money section within your Cash App. Once you're there, tap on Bitcoin to open your Bitcoin account. Now, in the Bitcoin section, you'll see the up and down arrows at the top of the screen. Tap those arrows and you'll see the option that says Send Bitcoin. I currently have $966 worth of Bitcoin, but for this example, let's send $528 worth. Enter that amount in the field provided. Next, we need the Bitcoin address from the external wallet. Open your external wallet and navigate to the Receive section. You'll see the cryptocurrency options you can receive. Select Bitcoin. This will show your Bitcoin wallet address. Tap Copy to copy the address. Go back to Cash App and paste the copied address into the recipient field. You'll see it populate as a Bitcoin wallet address. Double check it to make sure it's correct, because sending to the wrong address could result in lost funds. After pasting the address, tap Fees to see your delivery options. You have a few choices. Priority will send your Bitcoin in about 10 minutes with a small fee. Rush delivery under 2 hours has a higher fee. And standard delivery within 24 hours is free but has a minimum BTC send limit. For this example, select Priority, which has a fee of around $3.78. Tap Next to proceed, then confirm the withdrawal to the external wallet. Cash App will show the amount being sent, the equivalent in USD, and the fee. Once you confirm and send, your Bitcoin transfer is initiated. You should receive an email confirming the transaction shortly. Depending on network conditions, the Bitcoin should arrive in your external wallet within about 10 minutes. Once it's processed, you'll see the equivalent of $528 worth of BTC in your external wallet, ready to use or hold. By the way, if you're moving crypto around and want a cheaper way to handle regular money transfers, I recommend Wise. It's what I personally use. With Wise, you get lower fees, real exchange rates, and a free debit card that works worldwide. Sign up using the link in the description, and your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. It's quick and easy to get started.